I look crazy. Don't judge me. We're trying to get our brows looking on point. Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a fun video. It's going to be my eyebrow lamination video, and I just bought this off of Amazon, so I've never tried it before. I actually haven't seen any videos on it either, so I'm really excited to try this out because if you've seen any of my other videos, like my makeup videos, I really love fluffy brows and I just don't have them. Like my brows are just pretty much the hairs grow in the shape of the brow, and I'm constantly trying to brush it upwards and like trying to tack it down with like mascara or glue, whatever I can find just to keep them looking fluffy. So for it to just be natural is going to be really fun because lately it's been, you know, quarantine, we're staying in more often, we don't really go out as much. For me, I don't really want to take the time to be doing my brows every day. If they would just stay fluffy looking, then I won't have to do it. Haven't been wearing face makeup in a long time, so it's just going to go well like hand in hand with that. I'm really excited to try this out. I'll link this down below, the Amazon link that I bought it from. It's called Elevate the Beauty Long-Term Eyebrow Lamination, and I'll show you guys a close-up. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's dive right into it. I don't even have scissors, so I'm using my tweezers to just kind of like poke it. And I've never laminated my brows before, so I have no idea how it's gonna look or if it's even gonna work. But what I have done is I've, what is it called when you perm your lashes up? I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, I've done that before and it worked really well. So it looks like it comes with some instructions. And then it comes with a bunch of these disposable wands, and then I'll show you guys what the box looks like. So it looks like it comes with all the perming solutions, and then just like, this is actually cool to have, a little eyebrow brush. And the instructions are actually written here, so this wasn't instructions. All right, use cleanser, solution number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup remnants. This is solution number 4. Use a clean micro brush to apply lift solution number, okay, that's step number 2. So first I guess we're cleaning our brows. So I will be using one of these. That's not even, that's something different. I guess we're gonna probably need that. But I'll probably clean it with one of the regular like brushes. So I'm just dipping it in the solution. It's cold. I shouldn't have any makeup on my brows because I haven't really worn any makeup in a while, but it's cool that they provide this just in case you do. All right, let's see what step number 2 is. Use a clean micro brush to apply lift solution number 1, micro brush. So I'm assuming this little one right here, it's so cute, is the micro brush. Use a clean micro brush to apply lift solution number 1. Ensure that solution number 1 fully covers eyebrow hair. Let it set for 8 to 13 minutes by covering with the plastic wrap
not included.
Solution number 1 will soften eyebrow hair and change elasticity. We need plastic wrap? Now I gotta get up. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I got some plastic wraps. Solution number 1, it says lift on it. This is the thing that changes the elasticity of your brow hairs. That's pretty cool. So we're going to be using that micro brush that they were talking about. All right, so we are fully coating. I feel like I'm going to have to dip in a few times. I do kind of have a lot of hair. This smells like bleach almost. I hope I'm not bleaching my brows. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Like, yeah, it smells like bleach, but there's something else that it smells like. I guess perming solution is what it smells like. Really get it in there, you know? I feel like I should do the other one like that. Let's redo this one a little bit. So now we have to plastic wrap it. I feel like I don't really need a lot, right? There's the first one. I look crazy. Don't judge me. We're trying to get our brows looking on point. All right, so I have to wait, what did it say? 8 to 13 minutes, and I'm actually gonna set my timer for 13 minutes just because I really want this to work. I'm not trying to mess around. Set timer for 13 minutes. So it's counting down, and I'm going to pause this video and be right back. All right guys, so my alarm's gonna go off in literally 30 seconds. I'm just gonna read what the next step is. So it says, number 3, you're using dry makeup remover pad, remove remnants of solution number 1. I didn't even bring makeup remover. Damn it. I don't even have those little pads, but I do have cotton balls. Hey, babe. Babe, can you pass me a cotton ball? Yeah. Like 2 or 3? I got 1. Oh, well. Okay, so my alarm went off. I'm going to take this off, and like it said, ooh, it stinks, girl. Oh. I am going to wipe them dry. They actually look funny. They look really wet. My brows are so funny. I feel like they're totally different shapes. Like both sides of my face are like not sisters. You know what I mean? But whatever. Okay. Step number 4, use a clean micro brush. So we're going to take another one of those super tiny brushes. There's a bunch in here, so I'm sure you could use this like a few times. Use a clean micro brush to apply fixation, solution number 2. When applying, direct your eyebrows into the desired way. Ensure that solution number 2 fully covers eyebrow hair. Let it set for 8 to 13 minutes, the same time as solution number 1, by covering with plastic wrap. Solution number 2 will shape the eyebrow hair in the set direction. Oh my god, I'm nervous. So this is gonna be like how you want your brows to look. So my brows are a totally different texture, by the way, than when we started. I don't know if you guys could tell. They're like super soft right now. Solution number 2, fixation. I'm nervous about this because I guess this is like the way you're setting it, right? So this is like, it's gotta be good. Oh my god, this is not going to work. I'm gonna have to like apply it with the micro brush and then shape it with like a regular eyebrow brush, because who wants their eyebrow to dry like that, right? That makes no sense. So I'm going to use one of these too. So what do you guys think? That's pretty good. It's kind of crazy, but I'm going to plastic wrap that and try to get my other side done quickly because they have to be both 13 minutes. I feel like just get it sticking up and then it will do the rest. It's so funny because my sisters have like the most perfect brows. They like take it for granted. Like they don't even show off their fluffy brows. I feel like they always try to fluff them down. Do you know what I mean? Like they're not into the fluffy brow look, but they have that natural. And we're Israeli, so I feel like I should do this down a little bit. You know what? I should just stick them up and then trim them. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to fluff them up because it looks crazy right now, but after I trim them, it's gonna look so good. Set a timer for 13 minutes. So what's the next step? Using dry makeup remover pad, remove remnants of solution number 2. When removing, ensure you are swiping the same direction as in step number 4. And then you use mascara brush to apply nutrition, solution number 3, which nourishes and stimulates the brows. Keep eyebrows dry for 24 hours. Okay, so this is pretty much the last step because the last one we don't have to like wait time. So once it's been 13 minutes, I will apply the last solution, shape them, and like trim them a little bit. And we'll see if it really worked. All right, guys, so I am back. Let's see how much time we have left. We have 45 seconds left. I'm going to take them off and just trim them real quick. I did find my little baby scissors, so I'll be able to trim them. They're looking pretty decent. I mean, it's hard to tell if it's gonna stay, but if it does, that'll be so cool. I'm just gonna stop the alarm, cancel it, and get started. All right, I'm just going to put in the nutrition. They definitely aren't staying up. Like when I go like this, is that how it's supposed to be? Oh, I was supposed to wipe it off first, I think. Oops. I just spilled this all over my desk. Oh my god, I have to show you guys. So funky. I'm going to trim them a little bit. Okay, guys. What do you guys think? They kind of do look like what I wanted them to look like. I feel like, let me see. To pop in real quick and share with you guys what I really think of these. One thing I didn't know is that they feel like crunchy. So if you guys know the feeling of like when you put eyebrow gel in your eyebrows, they kind of get like hard and crunchy. That's how they feel all the time. And then what's really cool is like when you take a shower or you get wet, they kind of like go back to normal, and then all you have to do is like brush them up and they stay that way throughout the day. So they've been super great and super low maintenance for me. I did put on makeup today. I know I said that I don't, but did put on makeup today because I'm filming a few other videos. But I just really, really love how fluffy they are, and it's something I'm definitely going to continue doing and like putting in my, like, not daily routine, but I would say maybe like a monthly routine. I probably do it all the time just because it did make my life a lot easier. I just have to brush them up instead of having to apply product into them. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. Hopefully you guys like the results as well. So yeah, let's get back into the video that you guys were watching. I just wanted to pop in and say that real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys think, and if you guys would try it out, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!